Hi, myself Kiran, working as a SAP functional consultant. Total, I'm having 7 years of SAP experience, and I have experience in all kinds of projects like development projects, production support, business migration, version upgrade, and rollouts. Also, parallelly doing online trainings for SAP The main objective of this training program is to expertise the pupils in the particular SAP area in order to perform all the activities like configuration of SAP based on the client requirements and production support. At the completion of this training, the pupils can able to implement the SAP system for module as per the client requirements, and they can perform all the business activities which are possible using SAP environment, and the people can have overview of all the business process which includes SAP end-to-end procurement process. Come to specially syllabus which are going to cover using this training is introduction to SAP and come to the next chapter, basic concept of procurement cycle, which cover all the end-to-end procurement cycle which is doing using SAP and next come to the organizational structure of an enterprise in the SAP R/3 system, which will cover how to define the company code, plan, storage location, purchase organization and purchasing group and their integration. And coming to the master data in procurement process, which will cover the configuration of master data and its maintenance in SAP related to master data. Master data is nothing but it contains the data of records which are stored in a database and which are going to use for day-to-day activities, which includes material master, vendor master, purchase info record and source determination. And coming to the purchasing configuration, it includes all the documents which are involved in the purchasing like purchase requisition, purchase order, RFQ is nothing but a request for quotation, and outline agreements which consist contracts and schedule agreements. So in this topic we will cover all the document types which are used said above and its related configuration and release procedure and related configuration, pricing procedure and external service management. So in release procedure is nothing but an approval process for the purchasing documents, and pricing procedure is nothing but in order to pick the price automatically at the time of PO creation. So all these topics will cover in the purchasing configuration. And next come to the optimized purchasing. It will cover automatic PO with respect to PR and automatic PO at the time of GR. And coming to the inventory management, inventory management is nothing but to manage the stock or quantity or value of the material in order to document all the material movements like goods received, goods issue, transfer postings, return delivery to vendor and reservations, which will cover all the configuration related to goods received, goods issue, transfer posting, return delivery to vendor, and reservations. And next one is the physical inventory. After that, the special stock and special procurement types, which contains consignment, stock transfer order, subcontracting, pipeline, and returnable transport packaging, and third party process. Next thing is valuation and accounting determination. uh, Valuation and accounting determination is nothing but a automatic posting of GL accounts in a financial accounting and cost accountings at the time of inventory management. It will cover all the topics, which are introduction to material valuation, split valuation, configure to split valuation, defining global categories, defining global type, defining local definition, and its assignment. Next, coming to the invoice verification. Invoice verification is nothing but to post the invoice which is sent by the vendor. In this topic, we will cover all the invoice verification related settings, and it will cover basic invoice verification procedure, invoice for purchase order, releasing block for invoices, subsequent credit and debit memo, automatic settlements, parking invoicing documents. And coming to the integration concepts, which will cover all the integration with other modules like with FI and with SD and with PP. In integration of with FI will covers automatic account determination, and with SD will cover the stock transfer order, intra-company stock transfer, intercompany or cross-company stock transfer. Coming to the integration of with PP, uh, it will cover all the MRP concepts: planning, independent requirements, consumption-based planning, reorder planning, automatic and manual reorder planning, forecast-based planning. In additional, we will cover all the list of reports which are using day-to-day activities or monthly activities, and all the production issues with examples.